Are you looking for a side business that is fun to do, easy, and you can do at the comfort of your home? It is also budget friendly because I used as low as 2,500 naira to make these. Watch this video to the end. Let me show you how you can make tasty cookies that you can sell as well. So for starters, I'm using butter and sugar. I'll list the measurements in the description box below. So first of all, I'm just going to smoothen out my butter. I have other butter cookie videos in my channel as well. You can go back and look for them and watch it. So I'm not using icing sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. So I'm going to mix it very well until the butter is whitish. Now I'm adding vanilla extract. You can totally skip this part. I'm just going to add 1 cover of it and mix again thoroughly until well combined. So the reason I'm making this video is because a customer called me and said he wanted some butter cookies, and it just came to my head to share the process, the costing and everything. So here we have it. Enjoy. I have 1.5 cup of flour here. So I'm going to sift it batch by batch so that it's easier to mix. Don't be like me, please. Use a bigger bowl so you don't make a mess. So that's the first batch. I'm going to share it into 3 batches. Mixing with spatula got exhausting, so I'm just going to continue with my hands, scrape out the butter of the spatula and then continue the mixing process. So I'm just going to mix and squeeze, mix and squeeze, mix and squeeze. I really love making cookies. Like I said, I have a lot of cookies videos on my channel, not a lot, few though. So mix and squeeze until you formed a ball just like this. Set that aside and sprinkle a little flour on your work surface. Place your dough on top. I took out a little dough because I wanted to do a different design on them. So with your rolling pin, you're going to carefully roll out the dough. Look at how I'm doing it. Just press on it and then roll it out carefully so that you don't scatter the dough. You press on it and then you roll it out gently. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to those that subscribed to my channel and those that are still subscribed. Honestly, when I started this channel, I didn't know what I was going to be putting out. I didn't know that I was going to come this far. I'm not where I am yet, but you guys have encouraged me to this extent and I'm saying thank you. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Like this video as well. Thank you. So I don't have a circular cutter. I'm improvising with the bottle cover, a plastic bottle cover, to give it this circular shape. And I'm just going to carefully bring out the circular cut dough. So this is all we have from our cookie dough. They're 18 in number here. I had other ones, square shape and heart shape, that I wanted to give to my neighbors, but I didn't even know I wasn't recording. And if we total it will give us 28 cookie doughs. So yes, I'm going to poke holes into this, pop them into the oven and allow it to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And this is what we have. Our cookie is ready, fresh, looking milky. And this is the packaging that I'm going to be using. It's the cheapest one that you can get and it's very portable. So I'm going to be sharing our cookies into three parts. So what do you think about this? Isn't it easy? It's awesome. It's fun to do. I love baking cookies. I'm going to be giving the cost analysis for this business to show you how it came about to 2.5 and how much you can sell it. I really don't know the price you want to sell it, but let's do this cost analysis together. So first of all, I'm going to have to list out the ingredients that I used. So I used 100 grams of butter, 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't know if you guys can see what I am writing, so I'm just going to zoom that a little bit. so that you can see. Okay, that's fine now. And I used half cup of sugar. So I'm going to write that the price as well. 400 grams of butter is 400 naira. 1.5 cup of flour is 500 naira. Half teaspoon of vanilla extract. I can't really put a price on it, so I put 100 naira. And then half cup of sugar is like 200 naira. And the total of everything was like 8,200. So aside the cost of the ingredients, you also need to pay yourself for the workmanship. And it's not like a lot. You don't need a lot of energy for it, so you can just decide what you want to put for yourself. And for me, for my workmanship, I started with electricity first. For the electricity, I used like 15 minutes of the light, and I just put it at 700 naira. And then the workmanship, I started to pay myself 500 per hour. And you can't even use like up to an hour, like it's less than an hour I used. So if you total everything, it's going to give us a total of 2,400 naira. And then the packaging, I bought a pack that you're seeing like that for 600 naira. So it's safe to say that the lids that I used will cost like 100 naira. So everything sums up to 2,500. You see how cheap and easy it is to start a cookies business? I will try that as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.